Before buying a spray adhesive for your headliner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, 3M Super 77 Multi-Surface Spray Adhesive. First up is the 3M Super 77 Multi-Surface Spray Adhesive. This caught my eye because it's incredibly versatile and affordable at around $9.98. If you want a reliable adhesive for light-duty materials, this is worth a serious look. It covers up to 190 square feet, so you can tackle a variety of projects from crafting to upholstery. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,200 reviews and being a bestseller, people love it for its ease of use and reliable hold for materials like fabric, foam, and cardboard. Now, some people complain that it may not hold up for heavier materials. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working with lightweight fabrics and need something that won't break the bank, this is still a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a budget-friendly adhesive. Skip this one if you're working with heavy upholstery fabrics that require a stronger bond. For the price, you really can't go wrong with it. Product number 2, 3M High Strength Spray Adhesive 90. Now, if that last product's lightweight nature bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The 3M High Strength Spray Adhesive 90. Priced at $30.05, it offers a heavy-duty solution perfect for industrial applications. This product is designed for high-strength bonding, providing a permanent hold on a wide range of materials including wood, metal, and plastic. It features a variable width spray pattern, which means you can customize your application based on your needs. The full cure time is 24 hours, but once it sets, it's incredibly resilient against moisture and high temperatures. With a 4.6-star rating from around 3,000 reviews, it's clear that this is a go-to for those needing a serious adhesive. Now, some users mention that it's not available in California and may not be suitable for casual DIYers. Here's the thing, if you're taking on industrial projects or need something that can withstand heavy wear and tear, this is definitely worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're working on professional or heavy-duty projects. Skip this one if you only need a spray adhesive for light crafts or home use. It's a higher price point, but when you need strength, it's a solid choice. Product number 3, 3M High Strength 90 CA Spray Adhesive. Next up is the 3M High Strength 90 CA Spray Adhesive, priced at $32.36. This one really stood out because of its low VOC rating and high strength, perfect for those who care about health and environmental impact. The adhesive works well on laminate, wood, and metal, making it a reliable choice for a variety of projects. Its fast-tacking nature means it bonds quickly, which is essential if you're in a hurry. Plus, the adjustable nozzle allows you to control the spray width. With a 4.4-star rating from 766 reviews, people appreciate its versatility and ease of use for both crafting and construction. However, some users noted that it can be a bit messy if not applied carefully. Here's the thing, if you're mindful of your application and need a strong bond for multiple surfaces, this is a great choice that won't compromise on quality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a strong, eco-friendly adhesive for various materials. Skip this one if you want a quick and easy spray without the need for careful application. It's a bit pricier, but the performance justifies it. Product number 4, 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive Spray 4-pack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list may be even better for automotive projects. The 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive Spray, which comes in a convenient 4-pack for $69.99. This product is tailored specifically for heavy fabrics and automotive upholstery. It's heat and moisture resistant, which means your repairs last, even under extreme conditions. The controlled spray nozzle ensures even coverage without oversaturation, which is crucial when you're working on upholstery. With a 4.6-star rating from 922 reviews, it's loved for its reliability in automotive applications. Some folks pointed out that it's on the pricier side, especially for DIYers. But here's the deal: if you're serious about automotive work or upholstery projects, the performance and amount of product you get make it worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you're focusing on automotive upholstery or heavy fabrics. Skip this if you're just doing small craft projects. It's an investment, but you'll appreciate the quality. Product number 5, 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive. Finally, we have the 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive priced at $17.44. This one's a solid choice for automotive headliners, making it affordable for those who need a reliable option without breaking the bank. This adhesive dries clear and is designed specifically for bonding heavyweight automotive fabrics to metal surfaces. The adjustable nozzle is great for precision application, and considering it has a 4.5-star rating from over 8,000 reviews, you can tell it's trusted by many. However, some users mention that it may not bond as well on very hot days. Here's the thing though: if you're looking for an effective adhesive for typical interior conditions and want something affordable, this is still one of the best options out there. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly adhesive for automotive headliners. Skip this one if you're in extreme hot conditions or need a very strong hold. It's a great value for money. So to wrap it up, the 3M Super 77 is great for lightweight materials, while the high-strength 90 and 90 CA offer heavy-duty options. The 3M Headliner and Fabric Spray is perfect for automotive work, and the last Headliner adhesive is a budget-friendly choice. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your project needs.